Invideo AI versus Pictory, which is the best AI video editor online. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss that creating videos used to be a time-consuming task requiring hours of editing, voiceovers and video assets. But thanks to AI, those days are long gone. Two of the top tools revolutionizing faceless content creation are Invideo AI and Pictory AI. So both are designed to simplify the video making process, but if you could only choose one, which offers best value? So in this video, we'll compare them across 5 key areas: ease of use, time to produce one video, output quality, customization options, and of course the pricing. So let's jump in. Starting with Invideo AI, this is what's known as a prompt to video platform. You just type in what kind of video you want and add a few creative instructions if needed, and it builds the entire thing from scratch. It can make script, voiceover, visuals, and background music. It's basically like using ChatGPT but for generating complete videos. For example, I have said this to them, and then I'm going to click on generate a video. So it's going to generate a video meanwhile. And let's talk about Pictory AI. Now over here, Pictory AI doesn't support prompt-based generation. Instead, you need to provide a full script beforehand. And once the script is in, it uses AI to match visuals and generate scenes. So you'll have to manually select a voiceover and tweak things yourself. So over here, let's just click on text to video. And here you're going to paste a script. So I'm going to paste a script over here. And here you're going to optimize, rephrase, and change tone however you want. So let me just make it something like tutorial. And after that, rephrasing, you can also rephrase by telling it your own words. And then click on this arrow over here. And now it's going to adjust the tone to match your style. So just wait for it to get loaded. And once done, you can simply click on replace script. And now the script has been replaced. So what you need to do next is that simply click on generate video over here at the top right. And now it's going to generate meanwhile. So now let's talk about time to create a video. And using Invideo AI, a video can be done in as little as 5 minutes if you stick to the default output. And if you want to tweak it, change a scene, swap voiceovers, or give extra creative prompts, it might take around 20 minutes. Now here, you're going to select the audience, the look and feel platform, and then click on continue. And now it's going to generate a video for you. With Pictory AI, since you need the input and script, choose clips, manage timing, and apply voiceover manually. Expect to spend at least 45 minutes to an hour to complete a video with good polish. And again, Invideo AI is much faster thanks to its all-in-one generation system. One thing you need to know is that Invideo uses iStocks and Pictory uses Storyblocks. So both libraries offer over 1 million clips in high resolution in terms of video content, so both scored top marks. Invideo offers a variety of realistic voices based on your selected accent and gender, and Pictory recently integrated 11 labs, giving it access to some of the most lifelike AI voices available today. Although Pictory's voiceovers are slightly more customizable, both tools deliver high-quality narration. Now let us check the videos that have been created. Now first, let's play the Invideo one. It's pretty nice. Now let's head over to Pictory AI and let's play this video. Okay, so this is basically scene per scene, so you have to play each and every scene yourself. So then click on the next scene and then play it. Okay, so you can check the scene duration over here and you can totally customize it according to your own choice. So you can also customize it by clicking on edit and just add whatever things you wish to add and whatever things you wish to remove. And now finally, let's head over and talk about the pricing and value for money. So for Invideo AI, once you click on the premium version, the free is totally free and the plus includes $28 per month. It has 50 AI minutes, 80 iStock, and 60-second generative credits. You can give it a read. And for the max one is $48 per month, and it is billed at $576 yearly, and it has 200 AI minutes, 320 iStock, 60-second generative credits, 5 voice clones, 400 GB storage, 1 user, and unlimited exports. Whereas generative is $96 per month with $1152 yearly, and it has 200 AI minutes, 320 iStock, just like max one, 15-minute generative credits, 5 voice clones, 400 GB storage, and 1 user unlimited exports. Now let us get over to Pictory AI and check the pricing for this one. So the price plan for Pictory AI is that for starter, it is $19 with 200 video minutes per month. It is single user and it includes bilingual standard AI voices, unlimited access to 2 million plus royalty-free videos, basic AI features, and then we have the professional that is for $39 and it includes everything the starter does and higher quotas plus 120 minutes per month. You can just open this and give this a read. And then for teams, it's $99 per month and it is billed annually. 3 members can have an access to it, and it includes everything the professional and higher quotas with plus, and it has 240 minutes per month, so you can give it a read as well. And for enterprise, it's Let's Talk, and you can totally customize video minutes. In this case, you're going to talk to the platform in order to, build annually or monthly. You're going to contact the sales. So if you're someone who wants to generate fast, high quality faceless videos from a single prompt, Invideo AI is absolutely worth the slightly higher cost. It's efficient, full of features, and perfect for creators who want to scale content quickly. And however, if you already have scripts ready and prefer to handpick every element yourself, Pictory AI is a great option at a lower price point. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.